show you my first simple landing page that I made with Bootstrap 5. This is how it looks. The first block with a gradient, the second block is a table in the form of grid. Next is a table with frames and a slightly different format. Next I have an accordion, or rather 3 accordions. The component is completely taken from the Bootstrap, and this is how it looks. Again, a simple block grid, block about author, feedback block, by a course block. By clicking on the button, a link to LinkedIn opens if someone wants to write in person, and footer with social media. All buttons on the layout are linked. Let's test them just in case. Okay. And now let's look at the structure of our site. Here's HTML code with tags and Bootstrap markup. Here's the CSS file where we minimally use styles. It also includes images and fonts. It all took about 3 hours, and I did it all from the video on YouTube. Good luck and success to all.